Welcome to Stain Busters Laundromat, where laundry day is made easy. Experience fast, reliable, and stress-free laundry right here in Passaic, New Jersey. We offer the ultimate laundry experience. Unlike standard laundromats, the Stain Busters experience gets you in and out in under an hour. We also feature new Electrolux Clarus Vibe equipment, a bright, clean, and quiet environment, and free Wi-Fi for all guests. The Clarus Vibe advantage means modern equipment you can trust for a faster, quieter wash. These machines are tough on stains, gentle on clothes, and offer energy-saving performance for shorter wash times. We prioritize your comfort while you clean. Enjoy free Wi-Fi, bilingual support, on-site parking, and quick payment options and snacks from our vending machines. Laundry on your schedule. We are open daily from 7 a.m., with the last wash at 8:30 p.m. and doors closing at 10 p.m. Whether you're an early bird or a night owl, we're ready for your laundry. Stain Busters is your neighborhood anchor, located in Vanhouten Plaza at 514 Vanhouten Avenue. Run all your errands in one trip, with stores like Food Universe and Family Dollar nearby. Drop in and take the load off. Find us at 514 Vanhouten Avenue, Passaic, New Jersey, 07055. We are open daily from 7 a.m. to 10 p.m., and you can reach us at 9736-850270. We look forward to seeing you soon.